Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where Gtag is injected and why duplicates appear. Once you locate the server-side JS or template, make a git commit and backup configs. You should record every GTM/GAID and client ID to prevent misrouting later. Make sure to snapshot envars and any middleware that modifies requests. This first step stops accidental changes from propagating, and it sets a clean baseline so you can safely edit code without losing the original state. Once done with backups, search project-wide for Gtag initializations and remove duplicates, keeping only the canonical implementation. You will refactor middleware so tagging runs in one centralized hook rather than in each template or per request handler. This reduces duplication risk. Make sure to run staging tests using a separate GA property and use browser DevTools or server logs to confirm a single measurement protocol hit. These steps reduce noise and protect analytics integrity while you iterate. You now deploy the sanitized code to staging and verify event counts in real time. Once single hits are confirmed, promote to production during a low-traffic window. Make sure to monitor analytics for unexpected duplicates and set a rollback threshold, for example, more than 5% abnormal events. If things go wrong, enable verbose measurement, payload logging on the server to trace which service or header is causing duplicate sends. This single tip quickly reveals where residual copies remain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.